This is a story about three friends. There's Puppy, who's kinda sick, and there's Piggy, who's very sick. And then there's Kitty, who has AIDS.
Oh, too much unprotected sex.
Well, they're looking for a treasure chest that holds the way that they won't be able to be sick anymore.
Dun dun dun.
So, the friends were going down a dark street one day, and then they found a treasure chest.
What's that?
So they dig through the dirt, and they open it. Ding, ding, and it's the cure of all cures. A Hall's candy.
Oh.
Now, the instruction says one of you guys can only eat one to save your lives. So they face off. Piggy attacks Kitty, but then Puppy comes in and swings his penis, and Puppy thinks he's wanted. But then Piggy comes in, and he beats all of them up, and he unwraps the candy of Hallsness. And then he eats it, and he says,
"Sayonara, bitches."
wait,